Hello guys, in today's video we are going to show you how to mount the 20 pair shoe rack and cloth hanger. So let's get to it. Follow me, let's go. So the first thing is, after you open the carton, you unbox it, make sure that you sort them out according to their sizes. The rods, sort the rods according to their sizes. Now it will be easier for you to understand. If you look at those shelf plastics like that, those are the plastics that go for the shelves, like the layers. You're going to see that they have length and width. The longest rods there go for the length of those plastics, so you have to insert them into the holes by the sides of those plastic. As very easy, it's very easy like that. Why the width? You look for rods that have that same width length, and you just add their little joints to them and join them to the shelf that you have actually created. So it's very easy. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to also comment and let us know where you are watching us from, and enjoy the video as we just teach you how to mount this wonderful shoe rack and cloth hanger. Then now you join those the width and the joints to the shelves themselves that you had actually put those long rods to. After you've done so, you stack them, and you're going to see some little rods by, like, they are little. Those ones are to help you to build the shelves, to build the shoe rack. So you put them like that as they have put in the video, and you just add the shelves layer upon layer upon layer until it reaches 5. If you have but the 4-tier shoe rack and cloth hanger, you could actually just put till it reaches 4 before you do the next step. So you just repeat the same process over and over till the shelves are all put on top of each other, like you can see in the video. As easy as ABC. When it is on the top, when you are done with like the 5th or the 4th one, that is the final layer of the shoe rack shelves. Now you have to do something else. Like you see a very thick long rod, like the rod you were using for the shoe rack shelves, but this one now is used at the top. That is to end everything. So that is how you put it behind, then you put these other ones in front, and it's just like this. Then it has its own connectors, are actually big, the L-shaped connectors. Those ones are the ones that go at the top. So they are the endings of the whole stuff. Then now you're going to see other rods also. There are 4 in number. Those rods are for the top layer, behind at the top layer. They're the ones that actually build the cloth hanger or the wig hanger or the back hanger. They're the ones that actually build it. Then now you can take those 2 long short rods again and add. You're going to see some other connectors that actually have 2 places. You take those connectors and actually put those two rods to the connectors and you fix. That is your cloth hanger, after which you just mount on top and it will be very easy, as you can see in the video. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment. If you are in Cameroon and you want to purchase this, it is currently on promotion at the price of 13,000 francs and we do you free delivery. If you are in Douala, Boya, Bamenda, Tiko, Kumba and Yaoundé. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and God bless you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to join the family by liking and subscribing. God bless you and see you guys in the next video. Enjoy.